National Animal Disease Control Program launched at Krishi Vigyan Kendra Utlaw. Checks distributed to 175 eco clubs of Imphal West District. And 20,000 beneficiaries to get pension under Go to Village scheme. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is HARIPRIYA giving you the news in details. As part of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's National Animal Disease Control Program (NADCP), the Foot and Mouth and Brucellosis and National Artificial Insemination Program was launched at Krishi Vigyan Kendra Utlaw today. Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan, former Union Minister T.H. Chauba is also the chairman of Krishi Vigyan Kendra. Joint Director of Bishnupur District Veterinary Office Dr. P. Gojendra Singh and Principal Scientist of Krishi Vigyan Kendra Dr. R.K. Motombi Singh were present at the function. Speaking on the occasion, MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan said the program was launched under Prime Minister Modi's National Animal Disease Control Program in the effort to double farmers' income. He also stressed that livestock plays an important role in the Indian economy, providing livelihood to two-thirds of rural community. The program aims at vaccinating over 500 million livestock, including cattle, buffalo, sheep, goats, and pigs against the FMD. The program also aims at vaccinating 36 million female bovine calves annually in its fight against the brucellosis disease.
Domestic animals in the city, cattle in the city. Masi ekoina new economy in about amasuri padu kana badaru daru new economy musi eko sasan sasu ekoina di dana dia sofa awareness program amane ne lojeni sigi laiwa mapuno makke atul se sasan ne iroine yaune hamene amasuri atudi dokter agri okne sina mapuno isi rural economy ta idea na mapu khana din de rat nasi bantu betul ke program si bisa komedi balik test program si yang yawo kaya yang mo foot and mouth disease asi dah vaccination tiga bisa 51 crores of livestock in tiga bisa yang kemudian nilai sasan pemerintah tiga bisa.
T.H. Chauba urged each and everyone not to ill-treat the animals and livestock, as human beings depends on the livestock in many ways, from dairy products and many others. The program was launched under the Prime Minister NADCP to mainly double the farmers' income, he added. The program also aims at vaccinating more than 51 crore against foot and mouth disease and vaccinate around 3.6 crore female bovine calves annually in its fight against the brucellosis disease. A one-day workshop cum check distribution program for Eco Club School, Imphal West, was organized by District Implementation and Monitoring Committee, Imphal West, under the supervision of Manipur Pollution Control Board and Ministry of Forest and Environment. Climate Change Regional Education Officer Khoyathong today. Checks were distributed to 175 Eco Clubs of Imphal West. Scientist C of Manipur Pollution Control Board, K.H. Tomba, and Member Secretary of DIMC Imphal West, Dr. T.H. Hemananda, were also present at the function. A check of rupees 5,000 was distributed to each school. Sucheta Kumakcham urged the eco clubs to educate the students about importance of planting trees. Distribution of pension amount to around 20,000 beneficiaries is underway. Director of Social Welfare NG Uttam deposited the pending pension amount for 6 months for old age and widow, as well as the 12 months pending amount for disabled person in their personal accounts. During a press meet in his chamber at the Social Welfare Department, NG Uttam said that Indira Gandhi Old Age Pension, Indira Gandhi Widow Pension and Indira Gandhi Disability Pension are given under National Social Assistance Program. The pending amount has been transferred in their accounts amounting to rupees 7,25,87,455,045. The pending amount of around rupees 19 crore 13 lakh has been sanctioned, he said.
Hairiba pension jigiju hana leiramaba beneficiary jingidi akoedum district tawraga loina kapal loigre aduga anova beneficiary khangadaba go to village da application tharakhiba khotkhiba mayam jigiju state government na achauba awangba thaki wari ama lauraga masigi tongana karor manga hapaga mi lising kunda athuba matamda khoina Manipur old age pension go to village gi khuthangda application thajalakiba jingji akhoi paisa kapthu ani Sumaina Togdana Kogi later Lyra Alaman Jingsida Yamba Yamdaba Magi Lupa Janidang Tatagi Oirasu Madu Pangzaraga Magi Nuaijaba Wakanda Nuaijaba Pauba Magi Naragelak Padamaduna Hidam to later Sukana Zabaduna Akwegi Pandamni Aruna Lemhuri ba Chithariba Mayamsi Aquina Atuba Matamda Kaptopanam Yanabagi Damakta Aswaybaji Chumtokpiraga office the contact Biraga remaining NSAP benefit Mayamsi Jokwe 100% Kaptok Nabovanazage.
A Manipur Wushu team comprising of 26 players who will be participating in the upcoming 18th Junior National Wushu Boys and Girls Championship to be held at the University of Chandigarh, Punjab from August 15 till September 20 was flagged off from Kuman Lampak, Imphal this morning by President of International Peace and Social Advancement, Joy Chandra Konthosam.
Aikoi sanaba matamda goal loroktuna laibang asigi mingchet porokpa amadi overall champion oiraktuna khunai asibu laibang asibu masak takpada usuna achauba thaudang lobiu haina aikoi ipsagi saitegi haijari amadi ngasi satkedorba khongchet ase mai pakpu oisinu haina isorgi mafamda nijari.
YK Dhiren has been elected as the new convener of the Joint Committee on Inner Line Permit System. K. Chinkhai Laishram Siam Kuman, Bojendra Naurem and Mohammad Khairuddin Sa were elected as the co-conveners of the JCILPS. The newly elected convener of the JCILP, YK Dhiren, said that failure to pass the Inner Line Permit bill in the State Assembly is ignoring the people's long-pending demand. He also urged the government to open checkposts at crucial points to prevent entry by immigrants into the state. Besides, the Standing Committee, 4 executive members of JCILPS were also elected at the committee office located at Kesampat, Lemizam Lekai.
Hariba Billasi, Manipur, Manipur, the highest Adumlava political authority or Manipur Assembly na MLA Humpuna passed Orakanda Thariba Ikaikum Nazaraba Manipur Legislative Assembly na passed Oraga Thakiba Billamang Asif Havada Karigumba Wapama Fondokana Sahi Amahela for Namjilaga Tambibasi Manipur Miambu Tawaidaba Amasu Manipur Miamgi aspiration is India Gomena Kangbida Bani Habase because the CLP Makati Tamjage Ekoi Manipur Miamna Hanadegishu Tazabi Bagalona Manipur Miamna Tawiri support ado Makata na CLP da Hena Kanbamong the support to Bibagalona Mito Mian Sasing Dagi Lup Kigador Manipur se kannaba honabada ikoi punna sangsin minasi haiba wafamsi ai Manipur miyamda appeal tawjari.
As part of the ongoing National Nutrition Month or Rashtriya Poshan Ma, Thoubal District Administration in association with District Health Society, Thoubal and District Program Officer of ICDS SAIL, Rashtriya Poshan Ma today conducted an awareness program on the Rashtriya Poshan Ma at Thoubal Kuno. The campaign was launched in Thoubal District on September 2 last. Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights, in collaboration with Peace and Humanity Labor Youth Organization, conducted a one-day awareness program on child rights at the PHALY Community Hall of Thangmaiban Hijamdiwan Lekai, Imphal today. The event was attended by Chairperson of Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights, Sumatibala Ningthozam, President of PHLYO Club, Sarangajit Singh, Member Secretary of MCPCR, Bunty Singh Konthozam as main guest. Talking on the sidelines of the occasion, Bunty said that the program was being held to tackle crime against young children by spreading awareness among the masses on Juvenile Justice Act 2015 and POSCO Act 2012.
Masi lay hayoga isana thama chakhi nataba yumdu hallaganda ekoi marimata ahlaman lehoba masi throkdaba adiga sathasing go yorgana mon mogi mo anaba mai ben selection mon nigi isa isuda haibiyo masi.
Let's take a short break, but coming up, all Manipur Women Social Reformation Development Samaj schools on the state government over skyrocketed prices of essential commodities.
Mega Monsoon Offer. Be a lifetime subscriber of lamjingbatomtv daily newspaper at Rs 10,000 only.
Kangla food product ti iram dong dia seng ma mahong yeng dio garlic mixer khatana tana kangla gi ano food item singi mahok kangla bada ngauroi do kana bolai bi
Kangla.
Welcome back. All Manipur Women Social Reformation Development Samaj Nupi Samaj has called on the state government to look into the matter concerning the skyrocketed prices of essential commodities and also urged that steps should be taken to ensure timely distribution of PDS rice to the masses. President of Nupi Samaj Ima Ramani during a press meet at the Nupi Samaj office in Lamphil, Imphal also urged the government to impose a ban on using rice for alcohol brewing purposes, keeping in the view of the current situation. She appealed to the concerned authority to maintain a market price system. She added that a memorandum will be submitted to the Governor of Manipur, Chief Minister and Consumer Affairs Ministers very soon to push for the demands. Ima Ramani also warned of a series of agitation if the concerned authority fails to take up action to sort out the issue.
Ngasi di amuktang sarkara haugo ina moy dam tang khangan gi matong da akhoi na haiba ta draga di akhoi na angam ba sakti makha da ko na tausi ngasi damak ta dimi maron dam tapi si haiba ni kutak ta chamang thingba lek pi yu chiang do kutukan da yoliba kuthra manga pi ba che khoi cha ba ngam da ima ni ngasi phau chara hele wan ba ngam da na no ma da pi na si ba chiang chana ma phangdre ba aduna kutak ta sarkar athuba matam da masi kaching ko yam pana mak yang chan bidra amung taina chiang si ahong ba mamanda phangan biu nang na pi puna mak hawai siang wai puna mak tangi puna mak sia ahong ba mamanda phangang biu hai ba pam ni
Women Against Crime will honor with the Thona Phabi Mama to the mother of a minor girl who saved her daughter from being raped by her own uncle. The incident happened at 10th Thoubal district last month. This was informed in a press release from the Organization for the Indian Women Against Crimes. The release also maintained that the concerned woman will be awarded with a sum of ₹10,000 and citation during a function to be held on 20th of this month at the Gandhi Memorial Hall, Imphal. Physics Department of Manipur University, Kanchipur celebrated its Foundation Day at the Department Conference Hall today. Speaking at the function, Jarnail Singh, administrator of Manipur University, said that physics is a unique subject. He added that he always liked the subject since he was a child. Singh asserted that patience is very important in accomplishing something we want. On the occasion, Professor C. Amuba, H.N. K. Sarma, G.K. Garcia and T.H. Jakendra were presented with gifts in appreciation of their work.
When I look at the universities in Manipur, I see every year, like last year, about 12,867 students passed BA and BSc, and we admitted about 800, about 6.11%. So I was looking that there is a serious shortage of higher education system in Manipur. When you look at the Western countries, there almost anybody can get admission. There is no stoppage. And many times when I sit on my office, I see many people coming and some of them crying for admissions. And some of them are so poor that they can't go out. And some of them have a small half-acre agriculture land coming from far-off place, Sugnu, Wangu and others, those areas. And I feel that if we don't give education to them, that is the only asset they can have if they are educated. I look at the education that way. And only 6.11% facilities given for higher education is too small. There is a need for expansion. That's why, and most of the department, I keep on pushing for increasing the seats in areas which I feel are important, which are not so difficult, like botany, zoology, environmental science. These areas offer a lot of opportunities of employability.
In Bishnupur, the People's Resource Development Association organized a meeting of community members of 12 villages to discuss on local rights program project sponsored by Action Aid at the conference hall of PRDA today. Action Aid Regional Assistant Manager Guwahati Rehana Rehman, Secretary of PRDA L. Suranjoy, Assistant Secretary of PRDA Dr. H. Romain and Sponsor Coordinator of Action at LRP Project T. Latarani also attended the meet. The community members discussed on how the Manipur government along with the project coordinators should take up measures to ease the hardship faced by the farmers in the drought-hit state. Cradle for Disabled Union Chairman Mohammad Rizayuddin Shah today inaugurated an embroidery and tailoring vocational training center at Yaripok Hill during a simple function. The center aims at ensuring welfare for physically challenged people. People should not look down on them, said President of CRAFTU, Abdul Razak Moiching Ningam Mayum. He also lauded Forest and Environment Minister T. Shyam Kumar for his contribution towards the training center.
Cradle for Disabled Union HARIPRIYA differently able persons in Kakyo Union as Miyoi Karana Sinaduna Haibadi one community base tawraga linkhatpa union ni haiduna propaganda tawribase tawbigano mayamsu please don't dope from this day. Those people who are differently able from the Imphal East district can join here. We will cooperate each other. We are just a family. We are the one. We are the weaker section. Asiga iroina ngasi akoina vocational training program center ma hangdokchari se akoi honorable minister na yamna chauna mateng pangbibadagi akoina hangtokpa ngamjabani.
A one-day awareness program on National Highway 37 was held at the community hall of Tadvung village today, organized by National Health Services Corporation. The program was attended by village chief, youth leaders as well as women wing leaders from Faitol and New Kaifundai village. Village chief, chairman, youth leaders and women leaders lauded the NHAC committee from organizing such programs. Now another quick break, but do stay tuned. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launches National Animal Disease Control Program in Mathura.
Hello Food Express na adom-adom mata manghandana home delivery tawbagi khudongchaba pijari. Ngasimak hozingmak adom gi mobile da click ani khak nambiduna Hello Food Express ki apps asibu hapchinbiu. Apps asigi matengna adom gi apamba chaningba chanaba makhalsing anakpa amadi arapada leiriba Manipur gi apamba hotel singdagi mahau leina chabiu.
Atenba matamgi manungda apamba sanaba makhalsing Hello Food Express na pijariba home delivery ki khudongchab silobi.
Hello Food Express, your favorite food delivery.
Nupani kaina kumai rau za atek pubide leshari ngai dana aduda puniga dada puniga
ngasi de kaina
yare nung phadoksu koi pubi bedo akhoi di phangjadrabani
ngai khone ai wasisu yam nungai pawni ne ahum lak suba langbal kaithel pangthok ka dawre
atidi kaida
hapta kan jimuda
asengwira
mane DS Enterprises kaisam thongna khodol tamliba ahum lak suboina pangthok ka dawriba langbal kaithel Meet the Star Fashion Show Dance Competition Tapta Night Musical Night amadi angang singidamakta oina Disneyland item na singba kaya na miyam da kumay oihangadoriba ahum suba langbal kaithel
atidi yam nungai ni
adi miyam do nangonda ne yengba chalusena ne haige toriba
AIYF Manipur State Council na sinjaduna lamyanba luching purel hijam irawat the tribute tawjaba kunmari rak suba state level jananeta hijam irawat saithai se changdamnaba pangthok charagan category ani thokna khaidok chai junior amasung senior category
form thajan bagi aroiba numitna
18 September 2019 date of competition 22nd September 2019 mafamna Jain Manipur Dance Academy Imphal
competition sigi form kompamna
AIYF office irawat Bhavan Group Mahalten Imphal
Manipuri gi sejak pisingna form tang lobiduna
asida upcoming singer singna saruk yabiu aduga masigi competition asi khalaliba sejak singidi amna soba platform ma oidini Manipur gi nongle inkhalaklibi singna saruk yabiu kunmari ra suba state level jananeta hizan irawat sekhai se.
Welcome back. India is fully capable of dealing with the challenge of terrorism and will display it in future as well, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said while addressing a function for the launch of a national animal disease control program in Mathura, Uttar Pradesh today. Without naming any country, Modi took a dig at Pakistan and said strong roots of terrorism were flourishing in our neighborhood and called for strong global action against those promoting the ideology. The PM also said terrorists cannot hide their activities by changing the names of their outfits. Today, terrorism has become an ideology that is not bound by a border. It is a global problem. It has become a global threat, he added. Those who are promoting this ideology dodge those who give shelter and training to terrorists. The entire world needs to make a resolution against them. Strong action is needed, Modi said. India at its level was fully capable of dealing with the challenge of terrorism. The Prime Minister referred to the September 11 terrorist attack in the US 18 years ago and juxtaposed it with the historic address of Swami Vivekananda in Chicago on the same calendar day in 1893. Violence erupted in Kolkata's Central Avenue area today during a protest rally organized by the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP youth wing on the issue of the power tariff in Kolkata. Hundreds of BJP workers marched towards the headquarters of Calcutta Electric Supply Corporation, the company which distributes power to Kolkata and adjoining areas. The BJP's leadership was demanding a reduction in the existing power tariff in West Bengal. At least 31 people died and another 102 were wounded during the Said Muslim religious ritual of Asura in Iraq's southern holy city of Karbala yesterday. The death toll released by the Iraqi Health Ministry was expected to rise, with at least 9 people still in the critical condition. 30 people died on site and 1 more died in hospital. The ministry did not disclose how they had been killed, but reports said the stampede took place towards the end of the procession when the thousands of pilgrims rushed towards the shrine during what is known as the Tawaris Run. Before we close, let's see the top stories once again. National Animal Disease Control Program launched at Krishi Vigyan Kendra Udlaw. Checks distributed to 175 eco-clubs of Imphal West District. And 20,000 beneficiaries to get pension under Go to Village scheme. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.